this video, I'm going to show you what I did after I get monetized, and I did set the video, so I'll just show you the simple way, which is I did try by myself, and I'm not sure if this is the right way, but this is what I did. So check it. Thank you. So this is my I received today. Congratulations, your YouTube channel Madam Bertud has been approved into a partner and is now to be monetized on YouTube. To get started, I have to press this one. 1 minute. So I need to press this. I don't know how to do now. So I try to open this in my YouTube studio, but before that I went to this. So this one first, and then I try to check here, and I press this turn on individual video, turn on for multiple ads, turn on ads for multiple videos. Yeah, so I just follow this one, so I'll see what happened. Because it's my first time, so I don't know what. Yeah, we'll see. I'll show you what happened later, because I press this one and it goes to this, and yeah, we'll see. So what I did is to just turn on the turn on the monetization sign. I'm not sure what is the proper way, but I just try to just follow something that so press on and then save. But I think there's multiple videos to do this easier, but I already choose this one, so I'll just finish this one. This is the instruction on how to put ads on your video. So it's my first time, so I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. So I already pressed the studioyoutube.com, and then I will check now what will be next. It is I make this one black, that one, so I just click that, and then I will try maybe to do the monetization. I don't know what to do. So I press edit, and then I think you go to monetization. Where's the monetization there? I think this one. Okay. And then on. And okay. Next step. So I'm trying to set my videos to so I'm going to another group, and then I will do this, press this one, select all to the 7, edit, press edit, and then go to monetization. Yeah, and that is on already. Yeah, on, and then update, press this update, and then I understand there, and then update. That's it then. So I think the one that I did is fine because I can see now my ads in my videos. A special shout out to Fred from Elder Academies. I forgot to say hi to him in my other video. So, hello Fred. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you for watching. See you in my other video. Thank you so much. Bye.